Hi there. Welcome to the Healing Path. My name is Christina. If you've been here before, welcome back, my friends. And if you're new, welcome. So we talk about a lot of different things on this channel, and today we're going to talk about stretching. So I would say one of the common things that I hear from people when I tell them to start stretching is they will say oftentimes, "Oh, I'm no good at stretching," or I'm not flexible. And if you really think about this, it makes a lot of sense that that's just an excuse, because the only way you're going to get more flexible in your body and your tissues is by stretching. And you don't need to be good at it. You just need to do it. And the less you stretch, the tighter you're going to become over time. If you do repetitive things like sit at a desk and never stretch, you are going to have problems, most likely with your hips and your back. Your muscles in your front body are going to be tight and restricted from sitting in a constricted, kind of shortened way. And the muscles and the tissues will begin to stay like that. So when you come into a standing position, those muscles that are used to being short, when you go to elongate them, they're going to resist. So the only way to counteract that is through a nice balance of stretching and strength training. It is very important to do both. And I can tell you all about why in some other video, but today I just really want to explain how to stretch. So when you come into a stretch, oftentimes, your muscles have a receptor that help you not injure yourself. And one of the things is a pain signal to your body and your brain to stop stretching, or else you could injure those tissues, right? So the way you can resolve this is by stretching correctly. So let's say you go into a hamstring stretch, the muscle on the back of your thigh. You're going to stretch your hamstring. You get into that position and you come into the stretch and you go, whoa, it hurts. Then most people, they just keep pushing into that and they make all kinds of faces and they're really uncomfortable and they hold their breath and they just literally do everything opposite of what you want to do to actually lengthen a muscle. So if you ever think about those Chinese finger cuts, I can't move my hands and talk like I normally do because this mic is acting up today. So I'm just holding it very still. And we'll see how this video goes because I've tried a few times now. Anyway, when you go to stretch, your body will become like a Chinese finger cut, like where you put that little sleeve on your fingers and you pull and it's really tight. The more you push into a muscle, the more your body will resist this, okay? And you're not doing any good for your body. In fact, you're putting your body in fight or flight, and you want to put your body in the parasympathetic mode so that your body will release the tension. Okay, so this is what you do. Get into your hamstring stretch, take a deep breath, exhale, find that sticky spot where you go, whoa. Then you back off just a smidge, just enough. It can still be slightly uncomfortable, just not alarming pain. You want to be able to relax into this stretch. You don't need to be in pain to make effort in your body. So you can relax there into that space. You pull back just a smidge, and then you start to breathe. You're going to take at least 5 breaths. The longer you stay, the better, okay? It takes time for your body to relax. So deep breath in, exhale slowly out. As you're exhaling out and making your exhale longer on that exhale, you're going to see if you can go just a smidge deeper into your hamstring stretch, okay? And you'll do that with each exhale. You'll begin again with each exhale, right? So it's a different way of coming at it, but I'm telling you, it is the best way to come at it. and is the safest way also, and is super relaxing for your nervous system when you stretch like that and you focus on taking deep breaths and relaxing into any resistance that you find, because it will stimulate your vagus nerve, which helps your body to relax. And the more relaxed you are when you stretch, the better your stretches will become. So I hope this is helpful information. There's a lot of different ways that you can stretch, including contracting certain muscles and relaxing others. And I will break those down in other videos for you. So today it was just a basic 101 stretching information for you to help you to be able to stretch correctly and to get the most out of each stretch that you do. So if you have any questions, you can drop those in the comments below. If you want to work with me privately, we can do that online from anywhere in the world. That's totally a great thing to do. And if you want to just like and subscribe for more, feel free to do that as well. And I hope to see you again. Ciao.